Welcome to Matheson Library's tutorial on Primo Discovery Search. Use Primo to search all of our physical books and audiovisuals in the library catalog, electronic books or ebooks, as well as all of our online research databases, all in one search. You'll find the Primo search box in the center of the library's homepage. Enter keywords in the search box to obtain a list of books, articles, videos, and other items. I'm going to conduct a search on chemistry. Notice that it prompts me to sign in. If Primo knows it's me, I may get more results and I can see my account. I could also sign in by clicking Sign In at the top right corner of the page. If you are already signed into the computer, Single Sign-On should recognize you and automatically sign you in. If it asks for your username and password, use your KCTCS credentials, the same ones you use for signing into Blackboard or KCTCS email. I'm going to sign in now. My search obtains a very long list of results, a combination of books, articles, reviews, videos, book chapters, and more, indicated by icons to the left of each title. The format type is also spelled out above each title: book, article, video, etc. To the right of your results list, you'll see Tweak Your Results, where you can narrow down your search results. Primo allows you to sort by availability, subject, author or creator, resource type, and more. You can also limit to library, in our case, West Kentucky, so that your results will contain items available at Matheson Library here at WKCTC. Primo also searches the other KCTCS college libraries, so it is important to limit to West Kentucky to be sure you are looking for items at WKCTC's library. You can also limit by location, which means the particular section or area in Matheson Library that you would find the item, the main book stacks or shelves, reference, or another location. To find a physical book available in the library rather than an online or electronic source, we have to activate the Held by Library filter located underneath Availability, which narrows our results list to physical items in the library, most often books, but also videos or audiobooks. Clicking on the title of a book brings up its information. Other KCTCS institutions who have the book will also appear in the list, so we need to scroll to West Kentucky to see the book's location and call number here at WKCTC. You can see if an item is available for checkout by looking underneath the title. If it says Available in green, that means the item is at the library and may be checked out. If the item is checked out, you will see Out of Library in gray underneath the item. If the book is an electronic book or ebook, you will see Available Online underneath the title. Click that phrase to view the ebook on screen. You are only able to view an ebook if it is in our library, West Kentucky. Find West Kentucky in the results list and choose View Full Text. Since Matheson Library has thousands of ebooks, you are likely to find many ebooks when you limit your results to books. If you need a physical book, be sure to add the Held by Library filter located underneath Availability as we did previously. Going back to the search results page, we'll now locate a journal article on the same topic we used in our last search. Choose Reset Filters or click the X next to the filters you have selected to remove the previous search filters. We can now limit to peer-reviewed journals for a reputable academic source. Clicking on the title or clicking Available Online underneath the title displays the details page for the article with description, creator or author, subjects covered, and more. Under View Online, you will see if the article is available full text and in which databases. The article is the same no matter in which database you choose to view it. When you select the database to view the article, Primo takes you directly to the full text of the article to read it. All details pages in Primo, whether for a book, article, or video, have a citation option in the middle of the screen with a quotation mark symbol above it. Clicking this shows you the citation for the item in either APA, Chicago, or MLA format. You can select your style manual preference and copy and paste the citation directly into your works cited or reference page. Please remember it is your responsibility to ensure the accuracy of the citation and the format that you need. Computer citations are not guaranteed to be correct and should be double-checked. Please check with your instructor or consult the style manual you need at the library. If you're looking for a particular journal title, Primo offers a comprehensive listing of all the journal titles available in our databases. Click on Journal Search at the top of any Primo page and type in the name of the journal or the journal ISSN in the search box. As with journal articles, there may be multiple databases that carry the journal title in full text, but they may cover different date ranges. Be sure to select the database that includes the date ranges you want. Once you click on the database, you will be taken to a screen that lists all of the dates available in full text, and you can choose your date. You can also use Primo to check what items you have on loan and their due dates, renew items, and see if you owe any library fines. If you have signed into Primo, in the top right corner of the screen you should see your name with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click the arrow, which displays a menu. The first item you see is Library Card. Click this to see your loans and their due dates and an option to renew your items, if you need to keep them longer. If you forget to turn your items in or renew them by their due dates, you could incur fines or get a hold placed on your account. If that happens, you can find that information here also. You can use Primo from off-campus by using your KCTCS username and password. You will be directed to enter this information if you are not already logged in to another Office 365 application through WKCTC. If you have questions about Primo or this tutorial, please contact the library at 270-534-3197 or use our Ask a Librarian link located on our Services tab of the website.